ready to be inspired by nature's aerial ballet. Watch as this bird transforms the sky into its stage. Imagine the touch of the wind as it dances through vibrant feathers, each flap of the wing a masterpiece of elegance. The bird soars effortlessly, carving through the air with a symphony of movement. Against a backdrop of soft clouds and golden sunlight, its flight becomes a poetic journey. Every twist, every turn, a testament to nature's boundless beauty and grace. So, next time you look up, let your spirit take flight and remember the simple yet profound beauty of a bird soaring through the sky. Let it remind you that sometimes the most breathtaking sights are found in the simplest moments.